So we're working on Hassan's car right now.
Oh, that's why.
That's why, he knows now, he knows. So, we're installing the ambient lighting on his car as well. And it's coming out nice and clean, nice and clean. He's slotted in the one on the other rear door. He's going to be doing the front ones now. And it's going to be a very, very fun day. There's a garage right now. F1 simulator is ready to go. All of that space is going to get utilized soon. So, yeah, let's jump into working on this car. So we're still working on Hassan's car. It's coming across nice though. We've got to figure out a nice way of putting the dash part up here. I think we should just, I think we should just super glue it to that plastic, like kind of how you've done it. Yeah. We're going to need to take the other part out. But yeah, we're just sorting out the wiring. Don't know what he's doing here.
Look at the top here.
Oh, it's glitching.
Don't get why you didn't do it before. Funny.
Go on.
It's got rubber thingies to cover it with, and they're all at the bottom of the cable, so I might explain why it's showing out. No, I'm saying.
Can I just say that?
What would you like to say, sir?
I don't see how that was very funny.
Well, I found it funny, so as long as I entertain myself, I'm happy.
You keep
I'm not out here,
keep entertaining yourself.
I'm not out here to entertain other people, okay? If you entertain yourself.
I am, because that's the whole point of YouTube,
Well, YouTube.
You gotta entertain. There you go. Yeah, baby. Yeah, do a little dance. Oh my giddy gosh. That's more than you.
You know what?
Yeah. Not with me. Wicked. Legit, me and Ishan just got so scared because my brother just randomly started up his car, and we were like, "What the hell? No one's here." Whoa! His car's also turning on. Yeah, move to the right. There we go. I'm fixing up his side skirt because it's
falling off for some reason.
Tog life.
Somebody tried stealing it.
But it wasn't me. But yeah, that was really weird. This just randomly turning on like that.
Shook you, obviously I knew. Brother out there turning his car on, the AC kicking in because he's a little younger. My man over here behind the camera is like, "Ooh, I'm scared." I was like, "It's right, man. Big man out here, isn't it?"
Yeah, what can I say? Big man. Whoa, look at that chest. Look at that. Yeah, actually, you know what?
Density
you gotta work on the middle though.
Nah, don't worry about that. That's where my chains go, innit?
With your chest. Oh my. Quick update with the space right now. The bumpers, well, I've sold them on eBay, but the person's not getting back to me yet on when to collect, but I'm leaving them at the front. F1's been moved over here. That's going to hopefully be collected up sometime soon. This space is going to be predominantly car work related, so I need to finish off bordering up the wall, finish off sorting out all the electrical lines for the sockets that are going to be set up all the way around the garage. E30 needs to be taken out, so we can get this out, and then that's going to be brought back in. It's going to roughly be actually parked there, but I think I'm going to switch it around and face it the other way. So the engine's going to be this side, so it's going to be easier to work on the engine and stuff. But yeah, let's get some stuff going on over here now. Once we finish this car, because I don't want him to be upset with me. Although he's breaking his car right now. What are you doing? It's getting serious now. Soldering irons come out. Oh yes, look at them boxes. Nice.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, nicely done. Nicely done.
Professionals.
Oh yes. Wiring everywhere. Ah, this is kind of reminding me of how long it took me to do these 6 years, man. It's a headache. Oh, Big John's paratha and doner meat is the one. He's having fun trying to
Go through.
Stick his pipe through. Kept getting it in the wrong hole and stuff, and yeah, it wasn't going well. You know, we'll try. Oh yeah, first gear.
And that's through.
Is it free?
Yeah, but. Oh, wait. Bloody hell, shoving in too tight, mate.
Do
that, you're just gonna burst it. We're gonna rip it all open.
Gotta be careful of that. I've had that done before.
To you?
No comments. Oh, look guys. Hence those arms look.
That's what I'm saying, son.
Right, we didn't finish today, but he's got to go work and earn the money to play around with the car. So, oh, it's taking a while to get out. Taking a while to get out. Ooh, it's windy now. Oh, it's cold. What fell then? Something fell over here. Oh. Say bye-bye. Just don't hit my brother's car yet.
Whoa, that's so serious.
I meant it. I meant it, bro.
I've got the best camera, parking sensor,
And extra tape. Yep, me.
For the life cycle every year, you gotta change your target, so you know what I'm saying? Just for that, I'm gonna zoom out of this parking space bracket. Whoa!
Oh! Whoa! Okay, okay. I'm liking this ultra wide view for filming. Oh, he's stuck. He's stuck. Oh. Come on, bring it forward. Yeah! Yeah! Nah, you're close. You're ages away. Like a whole 2 feet. Oh, it's gonna come forward again. Ah, he can go home now. Cheerio, love. Cheerio. Oh, yes. Where you going? You're gonna come off the curb? Huh? There's a curb there, man. You're gonna drive on, yeah, just drive onto the pavement. Yeah, you gotta drop. So, drive straight. Full lock it. Your front tire's low on pressure. No shit. Legit. It's low on pressure. Not that low. It's only you need to top it up. Huh? It is low. You need about 25.
Oh shit.
No, I'm legit being serious. Watch. Ah! Now it's time to walk back to the garage so we can start sorting all of this out. First part of the wall or plasterboard up, we're doing it this way so then it's easier to manage where the long parts are and stuff and everything. So yeah, it's good fun. Right, so just prepping to get the E30 out of the garage. We're just moving some of the other cars around. So yeah, this is gonna get some proper air going to it now. Look at that engine bay, man. Woo-wee. I have no idea how those fins all got damaged because this is brand new and I didn't touch that. Any point? Oh, is that just the? Oh, that's just a light coming through. Oh, that's so weird. I thought I damaged that, but then you walked past and then the lights changed basically. Oh, yeah, it's kind of cool. I just remember something. How many spider webs there might be in here? Mobilize it still down. want to know what kind of this from.
Keep coming. Straight. Okay, that's enough.
I can't actually believe that it's on. Battery's okay! It survived! Oh my gosh. What the? Oh, baby. I've missed driving you. People, you don't understand. This is one of the best driving cars you can ever drive. Especially when it's manual, because automatic, it's okay, you get to enjoy the handling and stuff, but when it's manual, I can only imagine. Can't wait. I literally can't wait. Although it looks kind of cool without anything underneath here. It's a different look. The dust has left a 318i mark on it. Yes! Ah, it looks so good being outside. Oh, I'm so happy to see you outside. Oh, I missed you, baby! Ah! Oh, I can't wait. I am so excited. After driving that for like 2 minutes, if that. Ah, I feel so good. So this is the garage space right now. So the F1 simulator is ready to go to its next unit. And then everything else is set up around here. So yeah, that's that now. But yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here for today. It's been a very busy day, you know, with the Kami, with Ihsan's car, moving all these cars around, and but yeah, I think I'm just gonna have to wrap it up for today. It's gonna show Top Gear in a bit as well. So it's been a good eventful day. So excited to get the garage space done. But let me show you guys around while I'm wrapping this up. When you're looking at the garage space, the amount of space I have over here to have a proper setup. So I'm gonna have like, yeah, I think I'm gonna have the engine set up to do the rebuild and stuff over here. Interior section over here. But again, that's all in progress mode. Right, so day 3 technically. He's busy. Madman cars. He's busy removing his head unit right now because we're going to use that as the live point for this.
No, we're not.
Are we not?
We're using...
Oh wait, yeah, sorry. We're using the lights for the ambient heaters and stuff, so we've got to figure that bit out and then deal with it from there. But yeah. And the garage work, well, the guy still hasn't come to collect the bumpers. That's annoying.
Scum.
Deep. Started getting some of the plasterboard up. It's not the most perfect job, but perfectest, yeah, new word. But gotta finish off this part and then tops. But it's so much clearer already. Happy days. Engine's looking nice and comfortable there. F1's ready to go. That also was supposed to get picked up today, but it hasn't been picked up, so the E30 is still outside. And then this mess we just got to sort out afterwards. But I'm pretty happy with how this is coming out now. I'm considering I'm doing it very ghetto. Like I've been able to get a considerable amount of things done. You know, man's not a professional, but you know, got that board up myself. Well, not the whole board, just plasterboard, but same, but different. Look at how the E30 looks. Oh, I can't wait to drive you properly again. Can't wait to just have this finished. Looking all nice and crispy. 6 years looking nice and comfortable there too. Let him go. Oh yeah. Oh, now we got the lights set up. Oh, look at him go. If you don't like spiders, look away for the next, I don't know, 5-10 seconds or so. I don't like spiders, but this is a big ass spider I just found in the garage. Look at the size of that. Well, there's the engine. Like, Damn! Look at the size of it compared to the wheel. Right, I'm done. Just so you all can see just how much of a wiring mess this all is. So all the earth and live all connect up to this one connection point, which then goes into this one box, which is then powered through the relay.
Can I just say, people on eBay that sell this are from China. They're absolutely colorblind because I've tried 3 people and all 3 of them have sent me orange instead of red, and I wanted red.
Well, no, technically some of them are red, but they're really rubbish red.
Yeah, some of them, they just look like they've been in the warehouse for like 20 years. When you touch them, the red goes into your fingers. I don't understand.
Not very good. But we're just tidying up everything now, and then we're gonna be happy. Do it, bro. Do it. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Oh snap! That looks sick from back here. Oh, you can see it. I don't know how clearly that shows on camera, but your boy. Oh snap!
Yeah, the red's so dim.
Yeah, but let's jump inside. See how it looks. Yeah, that's way dimmer than this one. You can't even see yourself.
Huh?
Can't even see you, but how's it feel, bro? I can't even see you still. I still can't see you, man. Never mind. Oh, okay.
What's wrong with it? It's just I'm really upset about this because it doesn't flow because of the brightness difference in it.
We'll get that changed anyway. I think we picked the right places to put it though.
Yeah.
Because once it's all the same colour, that will come out real nice. Oh, and we super glued that part into the dash, so it goes across it
because
nicely.
basically this bit has to curve.
Yep, and because it's not really wedged into anywhere.
I don't even know if I have my steering wheel here normally. Wait, no. Yeah, I always have it though.
Race car.
What's that? It looks nice here because it goes all the way around.
Yeah, I really like this.
But I still need to fix this bit.
Which bit?
The ends, I need to tuck them in.
Yeah, we need to properly get them tucked in. This is nice for today though.
Yeah.
Get to enjoy it now.
Finally can drive with them on. I've had them, imagine it's been like 2 weeks.
Since you've had them?
Since I've had them. Since the original set came.
Now I'm curious, people, if you could pay to go on the F1 simulator for like half an hour or an hour and with the full motion and everything, so you get to really feel it, how much would you be willing to pay to go on it? So, like I said, for half an hour or an hour. Because, yeah, I think my brother-in-law should just set it up somewhere and get it properly rolling, get a nice little setup. So I'm going to leave that question out for you guys and we'll see where it goes from there, really. Trying to figure out what it needs to be for him to actually survive with keeping it. So yeah. But I hope you all enjoyed this video, and be sure to subscribe if you like the content and if you feel like you're going to enjoy the rest of my videos, because there's a whole lot more to come. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.